Welcome to Blessed Love. I am so excited you're here. Today we'll be talking about how bone straight hair is made and the mystery around the treatment used. Let's dive right in and learn about the process of achieving bone straight hair. What is this white cream? Hair factories call it bone straight cream, which is a crucial part of process to achieve that perfect bone straight look. Without this step, the hair would not be bone straight. However, there is some mystery surrounding this cream, which I'm not surprised. I too would like to know what this liquid is. Some are speculating that this is a hair relaxer, which would mean that the bone straight hair is no longer raw hair. Others believe that this is a keratin treatment, which could mean that the hair is still raw. This is getting confusing. I really don't know what to believe. Let's explore this further into what a keratin treatment is. A keratin treatment is a hair straightening process that uses a unique formula containing the protein keratin to help smooth and straighten the hair. Now that doesn't sound so bad, does it? But let's see. It aims to reduce frizz, improve manageability, and make hair appear shinier and healthier. While keratin is a natural protein found in hair, nails, and skin, that's good. The treatment solution may also contain synthetic chemicals to help achieve the desired results. Oh, now that is not good. But to be honest, bone straight hair, I really don't mind what the cream is. I just want to know what it is so that I could be able to tell you guys and I could be able to change our branding and to tell our clients. Because I love the hair. I love the hair regardless of what is made, whether it's milk, custard, cream, who knows what it is. But we are going to get to the bottom of this, I promise you, because I will be visiting this factory to investigate and update you with a behind the scenes factory tour and video very soon. The hair is still thick from the root to the tip, so the quality is still good, but it's no more raw. So the origin of the hair has been tampered with chemicals. So that's what we're trying to figure out. During my upcoming visit to this factory, I will be inquiring about the white cream that is being added to our bone straight hair. I'll keep you updated on my findings through a video and a behind the scenes factory tour. Customer satisfaction and trust are the utmost important for us, and it should be for you if you are selling bone straight hair. Subscribe to our channel where I teach you how to achieve high level of financial success in your hair and beauty business using my 20 years of expertise. Yes, 20 years. I am passionate about sharing our knowledge with you and excited to be part of your journey towards success. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Can you guess what the mystery cream is? Also, has the idea of selling or wearing bone straight hair put you off after seeing this video? I look forward to talking to you.